Take a ride in the 2023 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, Bluetooth, trip computer, compass, clock, auxiliary audio input, HD radio, brake assist, outside temperature gauge. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.